Guys, can I ask you one question? Okay, I'm asking the question. Do you like algebra? Yes. What? Do you don't like algebra? How guy you are! I love algebra because it is very interesting, and I swear you will enjoy it with me. So, by seeing the poster, you get an idea that Purva is going to teach today the algebra. So, let's start towards our lesson. First of all, what is algebra? कौन सा zebra उठा के लाया है? Let's see that. So guys, you are seeing that the algebra name is here and it is my favorite. You also know it. Let's get the next slide. So I will just zoom it. Basic algebra. So we are going to see basic algebra. So what is algebra? Let's see. So this is the definition of algebra. Algebra is a branch of mathematics that uses in place of some unknown numbers. The algebra is that mathematical. It is a branch of mathematics, and it uses with letters. Means we have to indicate the algebra, so we are going to indicate the algebra with the letters, with using the letters. And then in the place of, किसके प्लेस पे लगाना है, कि ऐसा ही पे नहीं लगा देना है. जो हमें अननोन है, the number which is unknown to us, in their place we have to give that algebras that letter. Okay, we have to choose any letter like A, B, C, D, alphabet letters. Okay, you can choose anything, anyone for unknowing. So if I tell any number, I will write any number any so I close camera because it is not coming nicely, no? Any number is added to, any number is added to 7. I will say that any number is added to 7. So any number is added to 7. Can I write here like this? N is added to 7. I can write this. Yes, of course I can write this, because n is unknown number. N is unknown number. So I can write, so this any number is the unknown number. So I can write anything. Okay, I will take here I will take here A also, M also, N also. Means I will take any of the alphabet. So let's see the basic definition. So guys, let's see the basic definition. The part of mathematics is in which letters and other general symbols are used to represent numbers and quantities in formulae and equations. So ma'am, what is equations? अरे भाई रुको ज़रा, सब्र करो, आएगा इक्वेशंस आपको भी. सो लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. सो पूर्वा इतना क्या लगा दिया, ये क्या है स्क्रीन पे? सो गाइज प्लीज सी. So we know what is the algebra now. Now there are some components of algebra, no? So we have to study that components. So let's go. An equation is a mathematical statement containing an equal sign. One or more numbers may be represented by knowing variables. To solve an equation, the value of these variables must be found. So we have to find the value of these variables. So finding that variable, finding that equations, we have to find x, no? हमें x find करना होता है कभी भी. We have to find x in every equation. So for finding the x, for doing the equation problems, first we know what are the components. So I will write here, these are the components. Components. So these are components. So let's read it. Variable, varying quantity representing by letter or symbol. Example, x. Constant. So I give you the variable, no? So जो n था, that letter is known as variable. Letter is known as variable. So कभी भी याद रखना है, alphabet is variable. Okay. Now what is constant? So see, this is the variable, this is the variable. ठीक है, तो इसको ज्वाइन कर देती हूँ, यानी ये भी variables है. Constant, a fixed quantity that does not vary. Example, a number. जो 5 है, ये जो 5 है, ये जो 8 है, ये सारे मिलाकर होते हैं constant. Okay. Now like that I give you one example, no? Like that n is added to 7. So I can write this like this also. N added to 7 is equals to 9. So over here n is variable. I will write it variable. 7 is constant. And this is also constant. Coefficient, the number which multiplies a variable. Example, 5x. So if I take one example, like I take example 6 into x is equals to 6x. So this is known as coefficient. Exponent, we don't have this exponent, so we have to not इस पे ज़्यादा ध्यान देने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. We don't have it, so just cut it. Okay, just cut it. I will just cut it. Okay, we gave a space. Now this operator means what? See, operator means what? These symbols. Okay, these symbols like plus, minus, into, divide. These are sums, right? These are sums. Now what is term? So I will not write here term. So this is the algebraic term. Okay, algebraic expression. Okay, term. We will know about term. I know that. So we will see the term. One part of an expression. So one part of an expression which may be a number, a variable, or a product of both. So this is what. Okay, I will use next color because गिचड़ हो गया ऐसा. So this is expression. Mostly this is expression. This expression and this expression में अब देखो ये पूरा ही एक टर्म है. ये पूरा एक टर्म है क्योंकि प्लस नहीं. So this is the first term, this is the second term, this is the third term. So 5x एक सेपरेट टर्म है, 5x जो है वो सेपरेट टर्म है, 2x जो है वो सेपरेट टर्म है और 8 जो है वो सेपरेट टर्म है. सो मैंने अब आपको एक्सप्रेशन और टर्म दोनों साथ में ही सिखा दिए. देखो तो मैं कितनी ब्रिलियंट हूँ. सो आज हमने सिर्फ कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ अलजेब्रा देखा और अगला पार्ट में हम कुछ पैटर्न्स हैं, मैचस्टिक पैटर्न्स, वो देखेंगे. और मैचस्टिक्स पैटर्न है सिर्फ और प्रॉपर्टीज़ हैं और एक्सप्रेशन यूजिंग वेरिएबल्स हैं. तो इतना सब तो एक वीडियो में होगा नहीं, बट आई विल गिव यू छोटा इंफॉर्मेशन in one video. Okay, so for the latest video, if you want my latest video, please subscribe my channel, like my video, and bye bye.